guys, it's me, Simply Marikit once again, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video naman guys, I'm sharing with you kung paano gumawa ng isang smoothie recipe for weight loss na makakatulong sa inyong weight loss diet. So, itong ating mga kakailanganin guys. Banana, avocado, green tea powder, honey, chia seeds, at low-fat milk. I-prepare na natin guys. Gagamit tayo ng isang banana, 2 small size na avocado. And now, ay i-blend na natin siya. Ilagay lang natin lahat. Banana, avocado. Ang ating low-fat milk. Ang dissolved green tea powder. Ating honey, and now the chia seeds. Now, i-blend na natin guys. Ito na ang ating nutritious and delicious creamy smoothie for weight loss. Ito na ang ating nutritious and delicious creamy smoothie for weight loss. So, tikman natin guys. Ang sarap ng mixture ng green tea at avocado guys. Yung tamis niya tamang-tama lang. Try this guys at much better na inumin nyo siya in the morning. Is aside nyo yung inyong regular breakfast and eat less for the whole day. So thank you for watching guys, and I hope to see you on the next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you guys! Babush!